Hey guys, today we will explore map chart in ClickSense. So I have the sample data set with fields like country, city, country code, and I do have latitude, longitude, and sales. Okay, so with the help of this, let's explore the map chart. So, so I have this filter created already. I have region, country, and city. So let me go ahead and pull a map chart. So we have so many layers within this, right? So we'll try to cover this area and point today. So let me start with area layer. So the idea is to have area layer as a background and to have a point layer on top of it. Okay. So let me select area layer. I'll select my country. So the location is auto populated with country. I'll leave it. I'll leave the scope it as such. Or if you have a country code, you can go ahead with the country codes if it is an ISO standard codes. So, so I'm just going with code over here. uh, Let me go to colors. I'll go by dimension so that I'll get different colors for different countries. I'll select persistent color so that my selections remains the same. The color will stay with will be assigned to that country. Fine. I'm just leaving the other options as such. Now let me add a point layer. So here I'll add city as my point. So here you could see the location city, right? So I'm just going to leave the scope as such. Here, if you have noticed, we have an option to give latitude and longitude as well. So we'll, since we have those columns, we'll also give a try. First, let me do it with city, and later we can try to change that. So size and shape, right? So size by I'll go with my measure. My measure is sum of sales. Okay, I'll give a label for it. And here we can control the bubble size range, right? So this is going to be my minimum size and this is my maximum size. So I can define my bubble range here. Okay, so I'll go with optimal size so it doesn't look awkward. Okay, so range bubble, here we can decide the shape, so I'm just going with bubble itself. Again, colors, I'll go by dimension, so I'll get different color for each city. You could see here, right, in the legends. Okay, so remaining, I'll leave it as such. Let me go to set appearance and I'll disable this legend part over here. So let me switch it off. In the presentation, I'll enable this navigation so we'll get these things. Okay, so let's have a look. So now we could see, right, each of the countries highlighted: USA, Canada, Mexico, and within that I could see different cities, and I can also see the sales by each city, right? Yes. So let me apply some filter. Let me say Europe. We could see all the map taking us to over there, and I could select. I'm selecting few countries. Let me select few cities. So yes, so we can also navigate directly from the map. I can select a country. I can select a city. Okay. Now let's change the point layer. Remember we saw the location, right? We'll try to use latitude and longitude. So when I enable this checkbox, we see two options. So let me select my latitude. Let me select my longitude. Okay, let me clear all the selections. Okay, so here we go. So we could see same country and city sales by each dimensions, right? Okay. So hope we got some basic understanding of map and especially on the area layer and point layer. We will cover the remaining layers in our next video. Please do let me know in the comment section for any clarification. Thanks for watching.